So for the last few days we find ourselves on the RV, not exactly resort, but we've been camping on the concrete. So this is our new campground. This is Premier RV Service Center in Oregon. This is the place where actually Country Coach was made. Country Coach is no longer in business, but the people that run this business, a lot of them are leftovers from those days. So this was the best place to come and do some servicing. We wanted to come here last couple of years, but we basically didn't manage to make it to the Northwest. So here we are. We had a list of few things that we wanted to do, but then list kind of expanded like everything else in life does. So we got it. We're at the right place. So originally we made an appointment to service our agua hot, which is I guess you call it a furnace system. Our furnace was blowing the cold air, but having many different options, so there wasn't really a problem, but I wanted to get that taken care of. And then a few months ago, one of our roof air conditioners went bad, so we wanted to kind of replace that, being the fact that the 3 units that we have are original. So we thought, well, it's no worth fixing, we'll might as well put the new one in. So those were the 2 things that we scheduled. And then coming up here, we came up just a few hours away from here. I blew on the last campground, I blew one of the hydraulic lines in smallest of all 4 slide outs, so that became just another project to do. And then also my air suspension was riding a little too high, the pressure was a little bit too high, so we wanted to take care of that. And then of course, just like anything else, just like a house, you have things that you like to do and then things that you have to do. So we ended up expanding our list, and I think it was like there were 19 different items that we either checked, replaced, adjusted, or whatever. So we spent a few days parked here overnight while the coach was being pulled in and out of the Bay Area to work on. So yeah, just wanted to give a good rating. It was a pretty good experience. You know, maybe we spent a bit more money than anticipated, but that's usually how things are with those things. But we felt very good about the competency of the people that work here. The bill was nice and itemized, so kind of know exactly what they did, and everything was written down for us to review and kind of keep a record of. So definitely I recommend Premier RV if you have a high-end coach. And this is mainly country coaches, but we've seen the Prevost, and there's a lot of Newmars and a high-end coach. This is all Class A. They don't work on trailers or small or whatever. So if you have a large Class A coach, I recommend the service center because they know what they're doing. Lots of experience here, and get the job done. So got it all done, or at least we got things off our checklist, and the checkbook too. And we're about ready to hit the road and start heading to our next destination. So thanks for watching. Keep on following us, and we'll see you down the road. Take care.